There's going to be some background noise in this one. So make sure we turn, yeah.
What does it mean by comma x?
It just means like this is the problem right over here, right? And then I'm just saying what's x equal to.
Oh, so I said, okay.
Yeah.
So x equals.
Yeah, looking for a number there. Hi.
Is this 1 or is it 10, 13?
X equals X. Let me whatever.
Wait, what'd you get for the top? 15?
Yeah.
What'd you get for the bottom?
160.
Ooh, too big. Oh, this is 4 times 5 is 20. It's minus 2 cubed. I think you did times 2 cubed. So it's 20 minus 8, not 20 times 8. Okay? It should be a lot smaller of a number. Yeah. All right, let's check out the flour here. So we got to convert this to an improper fraction. So 16 times 2 is 32, plus 1 is 33 over 2, divided by this 7 1/3. So 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. That's going to be 22 over 3. And then if you KCF or keep change flip, turn this into a multiplication problem. This is going to be 33 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 22. And then we're going to want to cross cancel. We can cross cancel this 33 and 22 by 11. If we divide them both by 11, we're going to get 3 and 2. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply this 3 times 3 on top and this 2 times 2 on bottom. So if we do that, we're going to get 9 over 4, and that is going to be 2 1/4. So for the amount of flour here, it's going to be 2 1/4 cups. That's number 1. For number 2, let's take a look at the baking soda. I'm going to go ahead and turn these all into improper fractions first. So we have 2/3, that's going to stay the same. And then 1 1/8 is 9 over 8. 1 1/4 is going to be 5 over 4. 3 over 10 is going to stay the same. 6 is the same thing as 6 over 1. 1 7/9 is going to be 16 over 9. And then 1/3 is going to stay as 1/3. Let's see if we can cross cancel some things here. So this 3 and 3 go bye-bye. They can cross cancel. This 9 and 9 also can cross cancel. That's really nice. Going on to some other ones here. 5 and 10 can both divide by 5. The 5 becomes a 1. The 10 becomes a 2. We can also cross cancel this 2 and this 2 now. And then going ahead, it looks like this 3 on bottom and this 6 can both divide by 3, and that'll become a 2. And we can cross cancel maybe this 2 and 4 to make a 1 and a 2. And I think we can cross cancel this 2 on bottom to make this a 1, and this 16 becomes an 8. Are you waiting for me? Give me 1 second. 8 and 8 become 1 and 1. So everything cancels out. And this answer is 1. So we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, what's up?
We don't know how to divide. We forgot how to divide decimals.
Dividing decimals. Number 6?
Yeah.
Okay. This one can't be a decimal. So
Yeah.
slide it over once.
Yeah.
But then slide this one over once.
Yeah.
So then it becomes 72.75
Yeah.
divided by 97. 97 won't fit into 7. 97 won't fit into 72.
Yeah.
But will 97 fit into 727?
Yeah.
Then you have to do some
Okay.
division on the side, or
Okay.
multiplication on the side to see how many times it fits in.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay. All right, for number 3, let's check out the salt here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at just the top first and then the bottom. So let's do the top in this. Talking to myself, I'm making the answer key so Chris can make it to his orthodontist appointment and his soccer match, you know? All right, so for this top part, that's going to be 4 plus 17 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2. And if we go ahead and do the parentheses first, that's going to be 21. That's 21 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2. Then we can do division here, and that's going to be 7 plus 4 times 2. Then if you do 4 times 2, that's going to be 8. So we have 7 plus 8, and 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. For the denominator, it looks like we have 4 times 5 minus 2 cubed plus 3. I'm going to do the exponent first. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 4 times 5 minus 8 plus 3. And multiplication's next. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 20 minus 8 plus 3. And then we can go ahead and subtract 20 minus 8, which is going to be 12. 12 plus 3, that's going to equal 15. So I'm going to say that's 15. So remember this, we had two numbers here. We had the top and the bottom. So what is 15 divided by 15, or 15 over 15? That's equal to 1. So we need 1 teaspoon of salt. So for the sticks of butter, keep in mind that when you multiply these two numbers, it always equals these two numbers, right? So if you multiply 4.5 times x, that's just going to be 4.5x, right? And that's going to equal the product of the other two numbers. Hi.
Hi. Can I have a piece of graph paper?
I suppose so. That's fine. Go for it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And if you multiply this 3.6 times 2.5, that'll be the other side. So that's going to be 30, carry the 3. That's going to be 15 plus 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12, carry the 1. That's going to be 6 plus 1 is 7. 0, 0, 9, and 2 decimal places. So this is going to be 9. Hi.
So, for the coordinates thing, can we do it on a piece of graph paper and then cut it out and stick it on?
That's fine, or just make a little coordinate plane in the box.
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Yes, go for it. So this means that 4.5 times something equals 9. And so we can divide both sides by 4.5, right? And if we do that, we're going to find that x is equal to 2, right? Because 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, or 4.5 times 2 equals 9. If you want to show that division, if we do 9 divided by 4.5, you can slide the decimal over and slide the decimal over, and 45 times 2 does equal 90. So we are getting 2 sticks of butter.
So,
Are you peeking? Are you peeking?
Yes. Okay, so Paul says that this is 120 minus 8 plus 3. Paul says that you first have to do 8 plus 1.
No, addition and subtraction are equally important. You go left to right. Multiplication and division, equally important. Addition, subtraction, equally important. Left to right. That's fine. Yep. All right, number 5, looking at just white sugar here, what we're going to do is see if we know 13.5 cups makes 18, we need to just make one batch, right? A proportion. Okay, so if we look at this being set up, 13.5 cups makes 18 batches. So the question is how many cups X will make one batch? That's the proportion. And if we're going to go ahead and solve this, keep in mind that these two multiplied equals these two multiplied, right? Always with proportions. So 18 times x is just 18x, and then 13.5 times 1 is 13.5. So what we're going to end up doing here is to get x, we should divide by 18, because 18 times something is 13.5. So 13.5 divided by 18 should get you x. So what is 13.5 divided by 18? This is 27 over 2 divided by 18 over 1, which is 27 over 2 times 1 over 18. We cross cancel, divide by 9, divide by 9. Then if we multiply 3 times 1, that's 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to get 3/4. That is how much, whoopsies, that's how much granulated sugar we need here. Hi.
For 3,
Yeah.
so when you add it up, so that would be 21 divided by 3, right?
Yeah.
21 divided by 3 is 7, and then 4 times 2 is 8, that's 15.
Yeah.
Then 15, then 4.4, that's 20.
Uh-huh.
Then if you did that, that would be negative 8. So
20
that would be
minus
11
8.
plus...
No, 20 minus
no,
8 is 12.
12.
Yeah.
And then 12 plus 3 is 15?
So 15 over 15.
Okay, so can I just do this and I just do 6 and then number, and then multiply
Yeah.
them all together and that's the answer.
Yeah,
typically you make this underneath so that you can keep going down, right? But yeah, that's perfectly fine.
Okay.
You can use prime factorization trees if you want to, or you
No,
can
I
do
hate those.
That's fine.
Take way too
Okay,
long.
good.
Yeah.
所以你是没有打印出来吗？明天的作业？
What?
你明天作业是没有打印出来吗？
Yeah, I made it, but we just have to photocopy it. 还没 copy. 你去帮忙别人吗？你去帮着。
All right, number 6, brown sugar. Let's move this decimal over to make it 72.75 and make this 97. So we're going to, in the division house here, make this 97 and 72.75. All right, so 97 times what? Gets you close to 727. I'm thinking 6. That's going to be 42. Carry the 4. That's 54. 500. Oh, that was nowhere close. Why did I do that? That's okay. 97 times. Let's do 8. No, let's do 7. I'll do 7. That's going to be 14. Carry the 1. 63. 64. Can I go closer? 97 times 8 is going to be 56. Carry the 5. 72. 77. All right, so that's too much. We're going to go with 7 here. So 7 times 97 is 644? No. What did I just write? 679? Yeah. Oh, wait, this is a 9. This is a 4. What did I just do? Ari, you're so right. 679. What am I doing? Thank you. You saved my life. 679. 17 minus 9 is 8. 71 minus 67 is 5.
When you have the numbers, do you add them or multiply them?
Multiply them.
Okay, so then we're done.
Now we have all this other work to do, Viviana.
No, we don't.
Wait, what?
we don't.
Viviana. Can you do more?
Cool. You guys are good to go.
Yay!
Woo!
Everyone was a group effort.
Yeah, I
What's
did
up, Tyler?
help. I did the 2 times 3.
Yeah, you go, girl.
You go. Nice
No.
work.
You go, girl.
You need me to show what one batch is?
Yeah, like you have to do the division to figure out how much is.
figure out one batch.
Yeah.
Sweet, what do we do now? Ari,
What do you now? You got a little bit of free time. So help some other people that are still working. Look on the board. It is 11:03, so like bell's gonna ring shortly.
This is a 4. 97 times. No. This is 5. 35. Carry the 3. 4. 8. Okay. So this is going to be 5, 4, 85, 0. So it looks like this is going to be 0.75, which is also the same thing. Since we're baking, this is the same thing as 3/4. Go over here. You can just do 3/4. All right, goodbye, every guys. Make sure you check the answer key later. Goodbye, goodbye. You don't have to do that tonight. All right, just check the answer key for the first page. Okay? Oh, 待会儿见. Are you in the answer key? You guys are making some interesting noises that will make it into the answer key.
Yay!
It's a little bit noisy of an answer key.
Okay, bye.
All right, goodbye. All right, let's check out the vanilla here. Let's see. We have -2 cubed. Oh, hello. -2 times -2 times -2 is going to be -8. Plus, and then let's see, what's 4 times 4? That's 16. Plus, what's 5 times 5? That's 25. Plus, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus, minus, 3 times 3 is going to be 9. Oh, hi. Goodbye. 7 times 7 is going to be 49. Hi, bye. All right, let's see here. -8 plus 16 is going to be 8. 8 plus 25 plus 27 minus 9 minus 49. 8 plus 25 is 33. Maybe. Mr. Matthews made it into the answer key video.
I'm in the answer key video.
Now you are too.
Yay.
16.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called OAG.
Always what?
OAG.
OAG?
Yeah.
Nice.
Chugging lemonade with 2 eyes.
And that's equal to 2. Nice. To check it out. All right, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Number 8, let's go on to the eggs here. All right, so I'm gonna plot some points here. So here is my y-axis, here is my x-axis. For this first point is -5, 8. Whoopsies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna put a dot right around here. And then the next one is gonna be -8, -4. So I'm gonna move 8 to the left, but I'm gonna go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot right here. Then it's 2, -4, so that's 2 to the right, and then 4 down. So these look like the 3 vertices, and there's one more that goes somewhere up here. So this dot must be 2, 5. And the question asks for the x-coordinate. So remember, it's x, y. So the x-coordinate is going to be 2. All right, for number 9, the chocolate chips. Let's find the GCF here. So I'm going to use the ladder method. You can use prime factorizations as well. That's fine. Common factor here, I'm going to say 2 because they're even. So that's going to be 300 and... Hi, Raina. 400. Who's that? Is Nandinishi still here? 2, 200, 198. Nacho day. 198. And what's half of these? That's going to be 150. Is this 99? I think it's 99. Half of 200 is 100, so half of 198 must be 99. What's up? 3 times 50 and 3 times 33. Multiplying these, we get our GCF of 12. So 12 chocolate chips, ounces.